Hey, what's up everyone? So you know how Insta360 loves to drop bombshells? It's like they've got this secret formula for making us all collectively freak out. And right now, the tech world is buzzing about their next big thing, the Insta360 Go Ultra. Honestly, if you've ever felt like your action camera was just a little too big, a little too clunky, this video is for you. We're talking about a tiny camera with a serious punch that could change the game. Before we dive into all the good stuff, do me a quick favor. If you're a gearhead like me, hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to make sure you're always in the loop, and it helps this channel big time. Watch till the end to get new updates. Let's talk about the rumors. We've all seen the teasers, right? Be there, be square. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical at first, but the more I see, the more I realize this isn't just a design tweak, it's a strategic move. A cube-like body means better internal architecture, and that points to one thing. Insta360 is finally tackling the big issues like overheating. And if they've solved that, they've opened the door to some truly insane performance. Now for the specs that have me genuinely excited. The biggest rumor is the new 1.28-inch camera sensor. Think about that for a second. That's a huge piece of glass in a camera this size. What does that mean for you? Brighter, richer footage, especially when the light isn't perfect. We're talking about colors that pop and shadows that still hold detail. Paired with a rumored 5nm chipset, this camera won't just record, it'll intelligently process your video to make it look stunning. No more grainy, muddy night shots. I think those days might be over. And let's get to the most important part for me, and probably for you, the video quality. We're looking at native 4K at 60 frames per second. That's not just a number. That's the difference between smooth cinematic footage and something that just feels okay. The Go 3S was good, but this is a professional-grade upgrade in a tiny package. The rumored 180GB bitrate means the details in your video will be sharp and clean, not a compressed pixelated mess. Imagine capturing a fast-paced mountain bike ride, or a perfect wave with this thing. The footage is going to be jaw-dropping. But the big question, and the one we've all been waiting for, the price. According to some leaks, the Go Ultra could land between $420. Now I know what you're thinking. That's a lot for a tiny camera, and you're not wrong. But let's put it in perspective. When you're paying for a new, larger sensor, a new chip, and the ability to shoot 4K 60, you're not just buying a camera, you're investing in an incredibly powerful, unbelievably portable creative tool. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new product category. It's for the person who wants pro-level quality without carrying a backpack full of gear. So here's my question for you. Given everything we've talked about, the new design, the killer specs, the price jump, do you think the Insta360 Go Ultra is worth the hype and the price tag? Or are you sticking with the Go 3S? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be down there responding to as many of you as I can. And if you haven't yet, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our full review when this thing officially drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.